Hello children, welcome to science class. Today unit 3 work on energy continuation. Before we start the lesson, see the picture children, observe the above pictures. What are they used for? It is used our daily life. So in our daily life, our effort is saved with the help of some machines, some simple machines. For example, we draw water from the well with the help of the wheel and a rope. So all the simple machines are tools which are used to make our work easier. So in this chapter we are going to learn about simple machines. Some examples of simple machines we are going to see. So what is simple machines? Simple machines are tools which are used to make our work easier. For example, pulley, wire, inclined plane, screw, lever, wheel and axle. So one by one we are going to see the examples. First one, pulley. Observe the picture. Which is easier to lift? Lifting the load with the help of pulley or without a pulley? Which one is easy? Yes, a pulley is a machine, is very easy to carry. See, a pulley is a machine made up of wheel with a cut around it. A rope or chain passes around the pulley. It rotates in the direction with more force. Example, grain. So, lifting the load, which one is easy? Using the machine is easy for us. Correct children? Okay, next, inclined plane. Inclined plane, see the picture. As lifting a box is easier than rolling it on a ramp. That means an inclined plane is a flat sloping on a surface with one ending higher than another. For example, ramp, slide and slope for wheelchair. So these are the examples of inclined plane. So is lifting a box is easier than rolling it on a ramp. Then third one, wedge. So wedge is a tool with a sharp edge. We can be used to split materials, some wood materials. It is used to break wooden logs into two pieces. For example, knife, scissor and axe. Then fourth one, screw. The screw is used to raise weight and to hold object together. For example, pencil sharpener, screw jack, bottle cap and windmills. So these are the examples of screw. The screw in the bottle cap hold the cap and the bottle together. The blade and sharpener are held together by screw. So these are the examples of screws. Then fifth one, wheel and axle. Wheel and axle consist of a wheel attached to a small rod so that these two parts rotate together. For example, bicycle wheel, doorknob, grinder, axle wheel. So these are the examples of wheel and axle. And last one, lever. A lever is used to multiply the force we give on an object. For example, seesaw, nutcracker and plier. See children, see the picture and identify mention the type of simple machines. See children, simple machine usually exchange a smaller force to move a heavy object. The work record is the same, but the force record is very less. So the idea of a simple machine originated with the Greek philosopher Archimedes. That philosopher name is Archimedes around the 3rd century. So who invented a simple machine means Greek philosopher Archimedes. See children, try to answer this. Identify and mention the types of simple machine. And then complete the table also. For example, types of simple machine. Example, for example, pulley. Give 1 or 2 examples. Wheel and axle, wedge, inclined pen, lever, screw. Okay children, we will see in the next class. Thank you children.